do our tier 1 case real quick. Boxes, 12 packs. Oh, late night out tonight. Yeah, it seems like it's getting nasty everywhere. Sound but no picture. Are you on Internet Explorer? That was the problem last time. Last night seemed smooth. Nobody had issues. Or Java. The dreaded Java plugin. Alright, last box. Empty. What's the top orders? Alright, here we go. Who's gonna hit it big tonight? Find the opening. First pack. I can see a redemption. First card, New York Mets, Kirk Neuenhuis. Redemption is... Oh, that's a pretty damn good one. I've yet to see these in real life, but they're supposed to be good. Autographed prodigious patch, Yoenis Cespedes. I think that's a giant piece of jersey with an auto. And a San Diego Padres Yasmani Grandal. Another redemption. Miami Marlins, Nate Eovaldi. California Angels, Wally Joyner. You're due to receive Tier 1 relic, Pedro Martinez. And Chicago White Sox, Chris Sale. Yes, still Tier 1. Wow, no redemption. Arizona, Tyler Skaggs. Triple Threads is right after this. Give it under 5 minutes. St. Louis Cardinals, John Jay. Phillies, Bat Relic, Steve Carlton. Redemption. Who is this? Milwaukee Brewers, Michael Fears. Turn the lights down a little. There it is. Tier 1 auto base, Clayton Kershaw. Mr. Cy Young. And a Roy Halladay jersey relic. Cleveland Indians, Carlos Santana. Oh, very nice. Numbered out of 25. Rose Ink, Matt Cain. And another Indian, Jason Kipnis. This one is very thick. Something thick in the middle there. Padres, Yasmani Grandal. Ah, that's a nice one. Tampa Bay, patch auto. Nice looking patch. Evan Longoria. And a relic. New York Mets, Matt Harvey. Yeah, I think they did stickers on all those relic autos, unfortunately. That's out of 99. Absolutely. We'll do a recap at the end. Atlanta Braves, out of 50, Craig Kimbrell. Seattle Mariners, 299, Michael Morse. Walking our way to that Griffey. And Boston Red Sox, John Lester. Chicago Cubs, Brett Jackson. You're due to receive Tier 1 dual patch auto. Not sure what that's numbered out of. It's probably low. Prince Fielder. And a Todd Frazier relic. think the case hit is supposedly a Tier 1 auto. So I don't know if it was the Kershaw or that Fielder, or if there's something else coming. Cincinnati Reds, Zach Cozart. Mets, Sean Markham. Another Chris Sale. Fielder was a redemption for a dual patch auto. So I think it's like that Longoria, but there's another patch in it. I think they're out of 25, 10, something. Toronto Blue Jays, Anthony Gose. There's another Rose Ink to 25, Texas, Nelson Cruz. And a St. Louis Cardinal, David Freese. The last two packs. Kansas City Royals, Salvador Perez. Boston Red Sox, Jim Rice. Two relics. There's a nice one. Cincinnati, Johnny Bench. And Cincinnati, Jay Bruce. Alright, here we go. Oh, that's a good card. On the Rise Auto Silver Ink Parallel, Bryce Harper. There's your Yankee. You called it. Paul O'Neill. Couldn't see the name at first. Two more relics. Texas, Ian Kinsler. And lastly, sweet. Out of 25, triple bat relic. That's a pretty good pack. Al Kaline.